Hello friends, and welcome to the installation guide for Wyze Floodlight Pro. The Pro floodlight that can be installed by any amateur. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a bland beginner, we'll have that floodlight installed and flooding light in no time. Before we begin, 3 things. First, check your local laws. If you install Wyze Cam Floodlight Pro in an area where self-installation is illegal, then, well, we officially never knew you. Second, make sure there is already a junction box where you plan to place your floodlight. A junction box looks like this. If you don't already have a junction box, you should probably stop here and hire your friendly neighborhood electrician to install one. Hey, people hire electricians every day. Don't beat yourself up. Third and finally, let's make sure you received everything you were supposed to in the box. You should have the following: Wyze Cam Floodlight Pro, Quick Start Guide, Mounting Bracket, Ground Wire Screw, Floodlight Screws, Rubber Stopper, Wire Nuts, Bracket Screws, Screwdriver, and this handy dandy mounting hook. If any of those items are missing, stop here and contact Wyze Customer Support for a replacement. Okay, with the preliminary stuff covered, let's jump into the installation. Begin by checking the Wi-Fi signal at the place you want to install your floodlight. You can do it directly in the Wyze app to ensure a good connection. Next, go to your breaker box and shut off the circuit breaker to the junction box where you want to install your floodlight. Begin by placing the mounting bracket onto your junction box. Align the screw holes, then attach the mounting bracket to the junction box with the 2 medium bracket screws. By the way, see these markings on the camera stem? These indicate the proper camera orientations when mounting on a wall versus mounting under an eave. Just align the indicator arrows according to where you are going to mount it, and you're good to go. Now attach the ground wire, which will be either a bare wire, a green wire, or green and yellow, to the mounting bracket using the short green ground wire screw. Ensure the wire is secured firmly in the middle of the bracket. Hang the entire assembly from the bracket as shown using the provided hook. The white wires are the neutral wires. Connect the neutral wire from the junction box to the neutral wire from the floodlight by inserting both their ends into one of the wire nuts and twisting 5 to 10 times. Gently tug on the 2 wires to ensure that the nut is secure. The black wires are the hot wires. Connect the 2 hot wires in the same way by once again inserting both ends into the remaining wire nut and twisting 5 to 10 times. Take a moment to ensure that no copper wire is left exposed from either the black or the white wires, then gently press the wires back inside the junction box behind the bracket. Make sure no wires are pinched between the mounting bracket and the base of the floodlight. If mounting to a wall, place the floodlight assembly over the bracket with the lights above and the camera below. Fix it to the bracket with your screwdriver using the long floodlight screw. Once the assembly is firmly in place, protect the screw by inserting one of the rubber stoppers in the hole over the screw as shown. And finally, adjust the angles of the lights and the camera to suit your coverage needs. Go back to the breaker box and restore power to the floodlight. If you have attached the floodlight successfully, the floodlight status light should come on and remain solid red, after which it will begin flashing purple, meaning it is ready for setup. You can now add your floodlight as a new device in the Wyze app and set it up in the usual way by following the directions in the app. You did it! Congratulations, you wizard of DIY-zery! You successfully installed Wyze Floodlight Pro. Go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back.